जनाब कोई छक्के मार दिए तो कोई आ नहीं। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। एक दिन छक्के क्या मार दी कोई आ रही नहीं। वो डर के भजना आपका रो पड़ा है।
It's so cold here. Remember a couple of months ago I shared a video regarding family get-together. Well, today we are again here, but this time it's not family get-together. This time we are here having a barbecue night hosted by one of our friends. Normally we play cricket first and then do salah, and then there's a get-together where we eat something. Well, today we didn't play any cricket, so I just arrived here at Maghrib. Now I will share with you guys the shots of hanging out with my friends.
It all started when we thought of having a specified place to offer our prayers. We used to pray in the middle of streets, and then we picked a place. Everyone donated, a small boundary was built, and it got the attention of our housing society, and they approved a monetary grant to build this masjid which you are watching right now. Beyond a shadow of a doubt, I can say that the binding force which encouraged us to build such a beautiful bond is prayer. We kept meeting one another twice or thrice a day, talked about daily matters, and gradually we won the hearts of one another.
A few moments later.
I told him to use gasoline, but he says it makes it stinky around. So he's using plastic so that the charcoal catches fire easily. So this party is hosted by Mr. Tahir, and he hosted that party. I don't know why. Why?
It was just another party which we plan every, say, fortnightly. So this was just a get together.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I have stopped eating broiler chicken, but it looks like it's going to be irresistible. I decided not to eat chicken, but it's so irresistible and so yummy that I had no option left except to eat it. And after enjoying the food, we are all sitting together, talking with one another, cracking jokes on one another. I hope you have enjoyed that video. Stay blessed and take care, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Don't forget. Please subscribe this channel. Request. Peace.